How to create AI generated images with your name on it. Go to your browser. You can use any browser of your choice. So locate Google and type Bing Image Creator. The outcome will be bing.com/create. So you click on it. After clicking on it, you need to log in. I've already logged in with my email. So you log in with your email. So after that, that's when you'll be able to create your name design. So click on this place and type your prompt. I'll provide some of these prompts in the description box. You can also check there for a book that I have for you. It will guide you on how to make money using all these skills. So a 3D name with diamonds and sparkles with shiny objects. Okay, let's click on create first and see the outcome. The outcome has been dropped here. Can you see? You just give it what you want. If the text is not correct, check your prompt and recreate or make a complaint or suggestion. See,